who is running away with your garment of celebration. Rakatanaba. What demonic spirit, my God, today is no ordinary. Rakatanaba. Restore, 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 restore. Now, 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 let it be restored. 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 Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Don't doubt this word. I don't know who this is for. A few days ago, you were thinking about your child, and you say, Lord, is this the way this child will be for the rest of this child's life? And Roy said, I should tell you, the power of deliverance is here. That can never be the way the child will be for the rest of that child's life. I don't care how old the child is, but at the sound of your amen, I announce the siege is broken. The siege is broken right now.